Good morning. So frustrated. Just right before the stream, I took a trade and I took a loss. I was up 5 grand. Oh man. Chase this. Why do I keep chasing lately? How can I stop chasing? That's gonna be the question. I'm on a tick chart because my minute chart was not working properly. And such a good morning, and I always have to ruin it by his stupid trade. That was the difference, guys. That was the big difference between the opening trade and right now for me is like I am trading way too much. Like I was up $5,000. I was up $300 per account. Uh oh, the frustration this week is so high. I don't know why. There was definitely rhythmic issues. Oh, why? Like, why did I have to get in there? Why couldn't I get in here? Why couldn't I get in at any other time besides there? All right. Soapbox is over, guys. Good mood today. Payouts got approved. We will get this. We will have a $10,000 day today. How about that? Positive. I didn't recover anything yesterday. I tried. I had same results at the end of the day. Mark, did you update your QUANTOWER? Luckily, I couldn't log into my QUANTOWER this morning, so I did not trade non-farm payroll during the news. And you guys see, like, I'm all about like trying to adapt right now, but this is why I struggle with stop losses. Look, this is a winning trade. Stop loss prevented it from being a win. I've said that in the past where it's much more difficult to be a profitable trader with using stop losses. Like it's not something I've made up in my mind. I just know like if this is a free flowing trade, yes, it's a winner. And your winning chances are much higher. Obviously when things don't go well, that's when it's an issue. But does it matter if things go bad all the time? Like, would you rather have it go bad all the time? Or would you rather have it go good, 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 and then bad one time maybe, you know? Oh my goodness, such a joke. I am not going to use lower size. I am not using micros. Please stop telling me that. I trade 30 accounts. I'm going to be trading 30 accounts. There's no way in hell micros are being traded equally if I trade 7 micros on 30 accounts. It's just not going to work. It's not about stop losses so much. It's about my entries. Juker, I'm just betting on the fact that the trade goes my way right away. I'm just betting on the fact that the trade's going my way right away. I can't ever imagine going for 100 tick profit. So if I'm gonna risk more, I gotta make a bigger target. It's never gonna happen. I'm never gonna be able to get those winners. My win ratio is just gonna drop. So I think 30 to 50 is good. I just have to be more disciplined. I was just up $5,500 a minute before I started streaming. And that includes the ghost orders that costed me $100 here. This costed me over $100 per account because some ghost orders were showing up. I don't know what the hell was. This was already at 852. No, I had issues, but I mean, I lost a little bit because of it, but not. I don't have any rhythmic issues, so I'm not gonna blame it on that. I'm gonna keep trading. If I have issues, I will let you guys know. Yeah, mental stop would be a good thing, but I know myself and I might not stop out one time, and it would cost a lot. Well, I haven't withdrawn from this system, and I'm not going to withdraw from the system for a while because it's too choppy. I'm basically up just a tiny bit since I started doing this because of losses like yesterday. I mean, the first 3 days I had losses, so that set me back. I mean, I battled these accounts down from like being down quite a lot, and now they're. But there's just no reasons for a lot of the things that are happening. There's just no reason for it. I mean, I don't know why I do things I do, and I'm trying to figure it out. But like, why can't I just be happy with one trade? I s- I pulled out $250,000 from trading one trade a day, and now I'm trying to trade 10 times a day. So that's like the difference. And yes, I still could do whatever I want. I just have to have a bias. So there'll be days I would miss the open, but I don't know how to use stop losses. So um, they say not to trade. Where does it say that? I don't see it. Jago, I mean, if you like to trade breakouts, I would like to see your payouts. If you show me your payouts, then I'll consider it because I think trading breakouts is the biggest struggle I've ever had. Every time I try to trade a breakout, it's a range day and it goes exactly like this. You try to take the breakout and it just reverses. For me, these are the trades. These are my winning trades. Markets dumping, I take the reversal. Reversals are my best trades by far. Said yeah. A lot of breakout traders did come from 2020 and they learned really quick. But it could work for some people, but it's gonna be a very specific breakout, right? It's gonna be like one breakout a day. that you're gonna wait for all day or whatever. Maybe it might happen at the open or something like that where you take it and it works. But right now we seem to have a ranging day. I don't think it's gonna allow you to pay for them, to be honest. Maybe it will, but I've tried that in the past because when I had like my backup PAs in the past, so let's say like I'm trading right now and I'll blow a PA, I would go and I'm like, oh, so if I blew this PA, I could just go and activate a new one. Well, the system didn't know I blew it yet, right? So like the back end. So when I tried to go activate it, it said you can't. Well, if patience the issue, then I have my trades I could be patient for. The problem is being patient. That's the biggest problem because I'm in the drawdown right now. Ever since Tuesday, I was up $8,000. I finished the day up 3,000. Ever since then, it's been a big struggle for me. So I'm trying to make back for it to pay out in June, and now it's not gonna happen because I keep making mistakes. I mean, I was just up $3,000 yesterday. Gave that all back plus plus another 14,000. Today I was up 5,000, 5,500. Now I'm only up 2,000. So it's like I just keep having that whipsaw where it's like there's no consistency. Can you log into QUANTOWER? Yes. So you have to update to the newest QUANTOWER. You have no other option. It will not work with older versions. You have to update to the newest version. That's why I did not trade non-farm payrolls. I didn't do any evals because I couldn't log in. Well, I couldn't log in. I updated it. It wouldn't work. I had to restart the computer. Then it finally worked, and it was too late. Top Step had issues when they made some changes to their program like last year. They had crazy outages. They had 2 weeks to activate a PA account, all that stuff. Jambear, yeah, I mean that could be it. Ninja is a pretty heavy software, especially if you use a lot of indicators. And I am so upset with myself for taking this trade. Like I said, okay, I'm not gonna trade anymore. I'm gonna wait for the stream up 5.5 grand, and boom, take this trade. Lose 30 ticks plus slippage. I lost a lot more. I lost a lot of profit here. Lost a lot more than I was supposed to. Unless my PNL wasn't showing properly. I don't even know. Rhythmic was acting up all morning with PNL. My PNL was changing. Like I was not in the trade. My PNL was moving. Guys, if you can't log into QuantTower, make sure you update. Go to the website, update it. Or if you can open a QuantTower, update it through QuantTower. You have to be on the newest version of QuantTower. Otherwise, you will not be able to log in. There's only like one gift per cycle, I think. Um, lack of, yeah, it's pretty funny, but I have a video of it. I have a video of it. Like, look, my P&L's legit moving. I'm not in any trades. I'm not in any positions. This is a few minutes after position was closed. See, just like it's just moving. Look. Oh, and then this happened, and I think after that it stopped. But yeah, what an annoying day. All right, well, you're just spreading rumors, so we're not gonna let that happen. If you have no concrete evidence of that, then you might just not speak. Yeah, I had no issues with ball knocks either. Yeah, Barry, a couple people said that. A couple of people said that they were green and it was an admin mode, or they didn't even trade and it was an admin. Because Apex is at least 10 times bigger than the next biggest prop firm. Apex is by far the biggest. And it's not even amount of users, the amount of accounts. Okay, if it's not true, then show me proof. Show me proof that Top Step is bigger. Because Top Step is number 2. Yeah, payouts. The users, the Apex username is the account. I'm 22,000. Now there's like 185, 190,000 people. Plus, everyone has, multiple accounts. I mean, it doesn't take a genius to figure that out. it's just overload. I mean, it only started happening when they had a 90% off sale. I mean, there was never issues with those. Like, here once in a while there's an outage, but not an issue constantly. But just go trade with another prop firm. I mean, I trade with another prop firm. I'm taking another $4,500 payout from Bullnox right now, today. It's great. Oh man, I am so upset with myself for this trade. But Black Wolf, you have an option to go to a different prop firm. Why are you still trading with Apex? Like that? Yeah, you guys have to like realize all your complaining that energy from your complaining has to be put into trading into different prop firm, and your problems are solved. It's not. I know you spend money with Apex, but if you're gonna keep trading with Apex and you don't think it's gonna work, then you're gonna keep wasting more money. So just use that money moving forward into another prop firm. Make it back somewhere else. I mean that's the thing. Like I'm trading all day. I'm not complaining about Rhythmic. I mean it sucks. This was all ghost orders, but it didn't blow my account, so I'm not gonna complain too much. If it blew my accounts, maybe I'll complain. Well, you know what I mean. Like there's like obviously Apex knows there's issues, right? It's not that easy of a fix. Okay, as long as you're making the switch, Black Wolf. As long as you're making the switch. I think Bull Knox is a great option. And I think Top Step is a great option. I trade with both. Okay, I trade with both. I am up. I copy trade from Apex to Top Step, and my Bull Knox accounts are traded separately. Trade days and Blue Sky are not bad. It's just they have only one account. So if it's only one account, I'm not interested. I did get a payout with trade day though, and it was really quick. It was literally the first day I traded, I got a payout. It was a small one, but $500, but paid back for the account plus some. I think Florida's gonna win it. I think Florida's a better team, but I'd rather have Oilers win. I would love to see McDavid win it. Okay, Black Wolf, you're excused. I'm just complaining about my trading. I mean, that's what I'm worried about. I'm worried about my trading. I'm not worried about prop firms. Plenty to choose from, so that's least of my worries. Well, I do lifetime now because obviously I can't blow the accounts in one day, so I hope they last at least a month. Yeah, Apex with all the rule changes or enforcements of rules and now the rhythmic issues. I mean, it's just a chaos, and I would not want to be one of the tech support guys at Apex right now. But my payout got approved yesterday. It's see June 1st, 2024. June 1st, 2023. 1 year anniversary since my first ever payout with Apex. Just one trading. I mean, I wouldn't have one favor at that point. I would do a combination of bull knocks and top step, and I would build up. I mean, I'm gonna try to build up to 11 accounts of bull knocks. It's much harder to do, but I'm gonna try. And then, like, I passed an eval a couple days ago. I emailed them to activate it. I still haven't heard back. You know, it's like bull knocks is just very slow with everything, so it's like. Do you feel that your life changed? No, not really. I'm trying not to let it get to me because then I would buy stupid things like a watch or something. I just know how difficult trading is. Okay, so I have a lot of respect for that money because I know how difficult it is and how fast it could be gone. Luckily with prop firms it cannot be gone as fast as with regular trading, but at least the income and money could be lowered. You know, like right now, if I get 20 grand in June for payouts, I'm gonna be happy with that. I mean, I have to figure something out. I have to figure something out to be able to get more specific trades, I guess. I don't know. Like right now, it's like the market's just so choppy. But look, beautiful trade right here. A breakout trade, and I lose. All because I had a stop loss. If I didn't have a stop loss. But look at this entry. I mean, if I would have just held this entry and I would have, you know, sold it, rebought, just trade the core of this. Let's say I take 5 contracts here. I sell 2, rebuy 1, sell it, sell another one. I mean, that's like this type of trade is how you make one trade and you make 5, 6 grand in a day. That's how Dakota does it. Dakota makes like 10 grand on I mean, he takes a shit ton of contracts, but one trade. But you gotta be able to put on the risk. Joseph, I mean, yeah. And how could it not? Because I've been making good money for the last few years. I've been making more than six. Oh, well, not more than six figures. I haven't been making seven figures, but I've been making more than 100,000 for last 10 years. So it's not like I went from nothing to a lot. So it's the only thing that changes is the mortgage, and then being able to buy a dream car. I mean, that's the only thing that changed. I still spend the same money if I go out to eat and stuff like that. Clothes I still buy on Amazon. Like, I don't spend the money, it sits in the savings. And what did I do before being a DJ? I was an EMT, but I've been a DJ since I was 15 years old. So I've always been a DJ basically since end of sophomore year in high school. But I didn't start my business full time till 2015. 2014 was already kind of going pretty good. So in 2015, I decided to quit my job and quit school. And then I gave the business a full year. No, in 24, that was in 2013, sorry. 2013, I gave myself a full year. And I just worked part-time as an EMT. But I did quit school. And once I went full-time, once I quit my EMT job in 2015, that's when I discovered trading because I had more free time on my hands. And I was like, oh, what else can I do to make extra 500 bucks, here and there? And I found trading. Because we don't realize, like, trading has a thing attached to it, a millionaire. You want to be a millionaire because you're trading. And it's like, no, it's like when you buy a rental property, right? You're spending 500 grand, 600 grand, especially in my area, for a rental property. You're gonna have to probably renovate it a little bit. And you might make, $2,000 a month in cash flow on that, which is great. Obviously, there's gonna be appreciation and stuff, but it's a lot of money to invest and a lot of work to do for $2,000 a month. And a lot of people think that's a good deal. So, like, there's nothing wrong with making $3,000-4,000 a month trading. I mean, my friend just took out another 4,000 yesterday. Got approved. He just started trading in May. He already got $6,000 in payouts. I taught him the ORB. Now we can't do the ORB, so he's just whatever he learned from seeing the price movement and stuff like that. But I said the story recently. There's three of us, right? Three friends. One of them started trading with me back in 2015 with stocks. So he got back into trading with Apex. And then my other friend, he has no idea what trading is, right? But I told him, like, listen, like, it's pretty simple. Like, I could probably teach you this, simple concepts. Don't get excited, but you could give it a try. And I'm like, you don't know anything about trading, so this might actually be better for you because you're not gonna over complicate things with indicators and stuff like that. And recently, when the whole DCA came out, he was like, "What's DCA?" I'm like, "Oh, when you average down." He's like, "What do you mean average down?" I'm like, "When you're in a trade and it goes against you, you add to it." He's like, "Oh, I didn't know you could even do that." So he's been trading for a month. He didn't know you could add to a losing trade. It's those simple things. That's why, like, Oliver Velez says, like, a baby could trade better than an adult because we overthink. but there's so much negative stigma and negativity overall in trading. You know, it's a competition, especially on the YouTube and Twitter space. Everyone's competing against each other. Oh, this guy sucks. This guy sucks. You know, I could do better than this guy, and it's, you know, this guy's gambling. Yeah, if you think I'm gambling, then I think I'm gambling more now than I did on the open, but you know, that's trying to learn, right? See, like adding to loser is wild to you. I know all my profitable trading friends that I've made over the years are always adding to loser. No one scales in, no one goes in a 10,000 share position right off the bat that I know of, except maybe like Steven Ducks. But um, most people that trade on a daily basis, Steven Ducks is a trader that takes a huge position and makes his year in basically 5 trades a year. So like on GME last time, like 2 weeks ago or last week, he made like 700 grand in one trade. But that's like super high stake trader, right? I want to make daily gains. So I look up to traders that do scale in, right? But the scaling in on NASDAQ is a little bit different than it is on the small cap stock. Small cap stocks typically go up and come right back down. Typically. When you first discovered trading, was it initially all of the EMA trend line stuff? No, it was always scalping. It was always scalping. Guys, if you are still having issues, if you've updated QUANTOWER and you're having issues to log in, then I don't know what to tell you. But if you haven't updated QUANTOWER, make sure you log in, update the QUANTOWER, restart your computer, and then try to log in again. I mean, this is untradeable. This is untradeable, and I wish I was up 5 grand right now because I would not even trade anymore. Yeah, I should have looked into gold. Gold had a nice trade at 10 o'clock. The EMA strategies on YouTube are so funny because it's the easiest thing to make on the static chart. EMAs work great on the static chart. But when it comes to a live trade, it's so difficult. And it works when it works, and then when it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Like here, it's so easy to say, oh, like when there's a big drop, just short into the EMA, you know? Short into the EMA, it's gonna work great. Well, what if you short into the EMA here and it breaks, you know? Like this was a good long on a double failure. This is a pattern I like the most. But in order for me to be happy, I would have to take this with bigger size and let it run more. YM is ripping. Let's see. Oh, wow. Yeah. So our friend is going on YouTube at 12 o'clock. You guys know who I'm talking about, GME. But GME had their earnings today, and I think the stock kind of crashed, didn't it? This is QUANTOWER. Is it true that when you have too much knowledge, it's bad for trading? You don't even know what's true no more, or what to even trade? Yeah, I mean, I don't know, that's true, but knowing stuff versus using stuff is different, right? Yeah, I think if you're using all that stuff, then that's the problem. But I don't know. I don't like all the indicators. To me, I don't think they help. I am trading on the tick chart, so I don't know if that's any. Does it look a lot different than a minute chart? Not really. Did I receive the payout? No, but it was approved. Jeez. Yeah, we might have to go trade something else. YM is reversing. Well, that's such a strong move to short. But maybe NASDAQ will follow. I wouldn't mind NASDAQ dropping below these lows here and trapping and then just rip. Can only see your open positions. What do you mean? Oh my god. So you guys didn't see my P&L at all today? I was up 5 grand. I am so pissed at myself. This trade took away 3 grand from me. Can we move, please? Or should I just start scalping again? Take profit 7 ticks, stop loss 21 ticks. Seems like that would be better. Yes, damn futures. Bullnox is very manual. It's very old school. Black Wolf might like it actually, because she said she wanted to go back to paper, pen and paper trading, like they did back in the day. Yeah, Roaring Kitty is gonna be on. Let's see, what time is he gonna be on? 12 o'clock. There's 60,000 people waiting for him. 44,000 likes without even freaking. We'll watch. We'll do a watch party. But if you guys think 62,000 people is a lot, well, there's streamers that play video games and have that many people watching them. Like Nick Merckx used to have that. Tim the Tapman used to have that. Nah. He's the reason why GME squeezed. If you don't know who he is, I mean, don't really worry about it. It's more 2021 type of thing. In 2021, he squeezed GME like crazy. Most people still lost their money though. It's pretty funny if you think about it. People were up so much money and they didn't sell because they thought it was gonna go to like 5,000. Oh, squeeze. See, he squeezed without any like signal for me. Sucks. I want to short this, but I feel like I've lost on so many long trades. I got to short. Is this a fake out or is this not a fake out? Nope. It's gonna reverse. Should have scalped. Yeah, should have just scalped it. From 5 grand to red. Guess we're going up because the YM is still going crazy. Nah. See, I was overthinking it. See what happens? All those losses made me overthink the breakout. Okay, I'm gonna get in with the wider stop. Manual stop, that is. I'm gonna add once to it. Just gotta let the trade work and breathe. See, YM is just squeezing, so let's see if NQ could follow. Nope. Rejection. All right, so see if we can hold. We'll make a new high at least. Damn, I lost 30 ticks in seconds, but it's so hard to make 50 ticks. It's crazy. I missed this whole move. I get it, and then it starts to stall. But I'm just gonna let the trade work, you know? This might blow the accounts, to be honest, but I honestly have no idea how much drawdown I have left in some of the accounts. Like, no idea. It could be $800, could be $1,600. I don't know. I don't want to know either. Come on, baby. Let's get this freaking squeeze. NQ, follow YM. Like, it shouldn't be that hard. I guess it is gonna be hard. I think I'm gonna stop at break even and then just re-enter lower. Because I think if it breaks the low here, I think it's gonna drop and I could at least re-enter like 8 points lower or something like that. The amount of trades yesterday that went like this and then reversed was crazy. This is gonna reverse, I know. I know it. Okay, let me flatten it and then let me just buy right there. Right, one tick below that. Trying to figure out how can I spot these moves. I mean, this is 50 ticks in seconds. Why do when I get in, it's 5 minutes and it barely moves. So there's got to be a like an inflection point or whatever they call it that it makes the move faster. It's the stop losses or something. I don't know. YM still going. Damn, this is gonna go. YM is still going. Forget what my exact target was, but it's okay. And there it goes. That would have hit the target. Of course, I'm out. See how it moves so cleanly now? Look at how big those candles are. Why can I be in a trade like that? That's what I'm trying to find. I need to find those cheap trades. But YM is crazy. YM is insane. So clean. But at least we're getting some movement now. So I could hopefully... I mean, we're at the resistance now, so... I think it could go to the highs. Just like YM did. Yeah, I went long and I still couldn't win. It's crazy how like I'm right and I still can't win. Like here I lost, here I lost. Oh, this was a short, so this was a good loss, but um I'm long, lose. Long, don't even get a full target. What did I get here? I got 28 ticks, so I got like half the target. Gabriel, yeah. When it says NQ, it's minis. The M is the contract. It's not, it's the month of the contract, the quarter. It's MNQ. If the M is in front of the N, that's a micro. Chris. So this is minis. Jack, yeah, I definitely have been a little bit on an edge since Tuesday. I agree with that. But I think that's everyone's problem. But I don't think that's, I mean, I don't know. There's definitely something to it, yeah. I felt so much more confident with my opening trade. Chris, yeah, no. It's, you could see my PNL here, so you'll see it moving. And you could see my order here, limit 1, it's 150. Stop loss, 250, take profit. Player, I still am. I still am. Remember, every other prop firm allows opening range. Just not Apex. Obviously, I don't have as many accounts, so it's not as big of a P&L, but I'll build up to it. Slowly but surely. Give me till July. Mm. I mean, I have my beliefs, but my beliefs are irrelevant. I think the biggest issue, if there's one thing that I understand they didn't like, is the stop loss thing, right? Not using a stop loss, I think, but that's an easy adjustment. Um, but not to allow a trade at the open, that's just weird. But we adapt. I mean, I'm doing okay. I mean, I just had my first red day yesterday. I mean, the accounts are still green. Um, most of the time I give profits back. It's honestly, guys, if I just stuck to one trade a day and when I'm up, shut it down, I would be up way more, right? But I'm trying to elevate my trading a little bit. So if it goes down to just, 5 accounts one day, I'm able to make more profits in a day versus just $200. But I've been up $200-300 a day so many times and I give it back. I mean, yesterday was a great example. Today is a good example. Last week was all green, but the week prior to that is when I was giving back every single day. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, all 3 days. I didn't go down red a lot. Um, on most of those days, at least, I don't think. But I went up from being nicely green to small red. So accounts kind of got depleted. Brian, yes. I got approved. I got approved yesterday. I'm very much inspired by Matt, and that's what I want to do. I want to grow the accounts to decent cushion. And once you have a decent cushion, you don't need a lot of green days. You can make $100 a day, which I can make. My hardest point right now is to get those accounts over safety net. Once they're over safety net, it will be smooth sailing after that, because I know I could make $100, $200 a day, then have occasional $500 a day, then have an occasional negative $300 a day. That is going to be fine, because you're still going to be able to get the payouts. But right now I'm trying to get the payouts so bad that I overtrade, and it's actually doing worse than. I'm not applying my own rules that I used to have with the opening trade. With the opening trade, I said, all right, if I win on the opening trade, don't trade anymore, because there's the odds of you losing more, and you're just going to set yourself back. When did I request this payout? June 1st, right at midnight. One of the first requests, and I just got approved last night. Same exact thing happened last year. June 1st and June 7th approval. Yeah, I mean, you applied on the last day of the payout window, so. Okay, let's see if we trap below here. I'm long. Nope. Well, maybe it's gonna be a trap. Move the stop down 2 ticks just in case. It might just collapse now, but it's okay. This trade is I'm fine with. I don't like placing orders ahead of time, but I like the entry. I didn't jump in randomly, or pre-planned, so just hope it doesn't stop me out and then it goes, because that's what pisses me off the most. See, like this. This is what pisses me off. Now, if this continues lower, that's fine. But if this actually starts going, I'm gonna be. I haven't had any issues, Camber. So I've never had any major issues besides last. Uh, was it Thursday? I think Thursday. I had like like a couple of orders reversing here and there, but nothing like major. Like last Thursday, yeah, that was bad. I mean, I was getting put into full size 10 contracts. Oh yeah, that stops definitely helped me keep these accounts. Yeah, like this was obviously a decent stop out. I mean, I know there's been issues. I'm saying I haven't had issues. I'm in the Discord. My Discord is complaining, you know, so like I know there's issues. I'm saying I haven't had issues. That's why I'm not scared to trade. I was just answering a question. Okay. I love all this selling off speed. Maybe this is the trap down here. But YM is tanking now. So well, yeah, that was this morning, yeah. Oh yeah, this morning that was definitely issues. I mean, I had an issue. I had look what happened here. I had a beautiful trade. I was so excited, and then boom. I don't know if they're gonna erase anything today. Yeah, it's fine. It's better safe than sorry. I mean, I wish I didn't trade. I was up five and a half thousand, and I'm red now. Been giving back profits every single day. It's just been beyond frustrating, and I think next week I'm gonna change that. Maybe I'm gonna take off next week from trading on stream and not trade at all. Just trade the open. I'm gonna do my opening range trade manually. Win or lose, just be done for a day. And take a week off, recharge, refocus, and get back at it the following week. Because obviously I need to save these accounts. These accounts are bleeding out. Chris, I haven't had any issues. So until I see issues, then I'll stop trading. But I don't have any issues, so I'm not worried. All my accounts have been trading just fine. Took a bunch of trades today, and besides obviously 8:30 a.m. Yeah, guys, if you don't want to trade, make sure you don't trade. There's issues known, so don't trade. All right. I don't know how much drawdown I have, and I'm not gonna even care to check. I would think it's around 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 100. It could be anywhere in there. The only ones I know how much drawdown I have is these accounts. Eat what you will kill. So my last payout, I was concerned a little bit because obviously some of the profits earlier in these accounts was made from opening range trade, not DCA. I never DCA'd on these accounts. These are accounts I mean, maybe on this one long time ago because this account's pretty old, but I didn't really DCA much on these accounts because obviously you rewatch my videos from like March. I mean, I didn't DCA anymore because it was not working for me. Um, so I was concerned about the opening trade, but I haven't done it since obviously May 14th. So my account. No, I had a specific trade I used to do. A lot of the rules kind of prevent me from trading my trade, but it's okay. There's other platforms for it. Did I have any connection issues this morning? Yes. So I did not trade non-farm payroll, which I'm actually glad because I think it whipped. I don't think it was a clean trade. So I did not trade the non-farm payroll on evals because of QUANTOWER. You have to update your QUANTOWER to the newest version, and I had to restart my computer. My QUANTOWER wouldn't open after I updated it. I mean, I kill my trades often early or break even, which might seem like it's early, right? I mean, I hope they don't deny that for a payout. Okay, we're getting big sell off there. So like, see, a stop like this kind of is good, you know? Like this would be very hard to survive. $1,000 drawdown. But now I hope that I get a reversal. I love longing at the bottom. Like this is my favorite setup. I don't have Bullnox code, no. I could get you one. Let's see. I just found this one. From Bullnox. I don't know if that's tier 1 or both, but I got a requested payout from 3 accounts from Bullnox. I gotta activate a new one. I don't know. They take forever to activate. I'm gonna email them again to activate. Jordy, no, because that's something you sign in the PA agreement. So you give them the permission to do that. Same thing on Top Step. Ball locks only do 50K. Don't do bigger accounts. Yeah, like ball locks activation for bigger accounts is crazy expensive. Flojo, yes, that's correct. Anything over 2600. Activation for the 50K, it's $148 lifetime. Yeah, player. I'm very much inspired by Matt's progress. That's what I want to do, but I just have a hard time getting the accounts build up, you know. Once you build up the accounts, then it's smooth sailing. Got lucky there. Come on, one more try. Oh God. Damn. I regret trading today. I regret it a lot. I said yesterday I can't stop trading when I'm green. Can this save me? Can this save me? Oh my God, if I get saved on that. Imagine. No, you're not supposed to trade the accounts that are affected by losses. I'm not affected, so I am gonna keep trading. Yeah, not sure what to do. I'm gonna take off next week, guys. I'm gonna take off. I'm just gonna trade the open, and I'm not gonna trade anymore. I need to get back on the winning streak. I think I'm chasing the losses from Tuesday too much, and things are not going well. Mm. Mm. I just don't understand how you could get so many trades wrong so easily, you know? I mean, I understand it, but I don't understand it at the same time. I'm just trying to analyze what I'm doing wrong. It's does the PA account's name show? Um that is, if there's an M in front of it, that's a funded, yeah. M means master account. I don't know how much drawdown I have. I think like 1300 or something on the lowest accounts. Well, I figure I was going counter trend here, you know. Well, I'm gonna keep milking bull knocks until I figure something out with Apex. I mean, the payouts will still be coming in just from bull knocks, not from Apex. For now. I know what I'm doing wrong, but at the same time, I don't know how to stop it. How do I stop myself from trading more? Yeah, I am chasing, but you have to understand this is why I chase, because I need to use a stop loss, so I can't not chase. Like I can't find the bottom. You don't know what the bottom is, right? So I feel like if I use, I mean, that's what I'm gonna do moving forward right now. I'm gonna buy every dip. If I go long, I'm gonna buy a dip and see. Maybe that will help, you know? As long as there's support level, maybe that's what I need to do. Because the breakouts are clearly not working. Like instead of buying now, buy when it's here, you know? Um, well, well, yes and no, Martin. As long as you're not catching the falling off, like what I did here was perfect. What I did here was perfect. You got like so many chances, and then volume comes in. I go long. This should have been the one trade for the day, and that's it. You know, make $700 on the trade and be done. See, but this is looking so good. This is looking so good right now. I hope it fails. Because we're back in the range. Then we're gonna try to go back up. I just need to find an entry that's gonna allow me to stay in the trade. Slip good, yes, I still do it. I'm requesting a $4,500 payout today. See? Now it's gonna go. Now it's gonna go. So now if I chase, it would have worked, right? But we'll see. Maybe we'll fail hard. See? See, what's the difference between this and this? Like, where's the difference? This is what I'm. This is the answer I need to know. What is the difference between this breakout and this breakout? And then we have the answer that we need. And then we could chase because we're gonna get the right entries. Yeah, right. Look, beautiful. Exactly what I was saying. Exactly what I was saying. There was a second higher low here. What I thought this was, I thought this was the second higher low. You got to be kidding me, though. You really got to be kidding me. That's right. First pullback here, I'm gonna go long, and I'm gonna add, and we're just gonna go for the highs of the day. Just gonna go one big trade, see if we could save the accounts. I'm just gonna buy it, so I'm in, and then I'm just gonna add another one. we're gonna add right down here. I just can't keep watching this go up without me, so I'm gonna buy and then add a second contract, and then hopefully that'll be guaranteed pullback once you buy, because it always pulls back when you buy. And then teach my students, oh god. Pip season. If you want to keep talking like that, you're gonna have to unfortunately send me your payouts. Average down is allowed once, yes. When I hear my students, I freaking cringe. Yeah, first you have to have winners, Pedro. First you need to have winners to be able to add to them. Ilya, why can't you log in? I don't know anyone that has an issue logging in once you update your QUANTOWER. Anyone else can't log in to your actual Rhythmic? I'm not on Tradeovate, Luca. Rhythmic has an issue? Okay. Well, I'm in trade, so. Gonna add to it once. And then the accounts will blow on this trade if it doesn't work out, but it's alright. I've been getting chopped to death with stop losses, so might as well let it breathe. But at least I'm proving my point why I didn't use stop losses in the past, right? Why that was a better way of trading for me, right? I think I'm proving a little bit of it. It's not like I was just making stuff up. How many winning trades do I have today that were losers because of stop losses, you know? Now losing the whole account, that's different. That's bad. But wide stops in general. I have not had any issues. We'll see if this trade saves us. Maybe we'll add to a winner instead of a loser. Oh, finally something. Finally a breakout trade, jeez. All right, added to a winner. Then take profit at the highs. Come on. It's not going. Yeah, of course, now it's gonna go. You fucking kidding me? Had to close it, guys. So close. That would have been huge. Why couldn't you just fill me there? I would have been. It's like I was up like 7 grand. I kind of want to buy the pull back again. Let's see. Look, 30 tick stop loss. Exactly would have stopped me out and would have went without me. Stop losses are really killing me lately. Oh yeah, Gabriel. Yeah, we'll do some giveaways later. Nope, not starting giveaways yet. We're gonna have to get to some likes to get giveaways going. Plus, you can't even use Rhythmic right now, so I guess good profit take there. But it was so close to hitting my target. I should have been long from down here. Imagine if I was long from down here. There was confirmation down here. I should have bought this, but I was already scared about because I lost on here. I told you, can you just shut up, dude? You're so annoying. Are you like 15 or 16 years old? Or 17? Maybe 18 because you have an account, maybe. Like, go troll somewhere else. I'm not gonna put up with your stupid crap. Ticks are in settings. So you go to settings, trades, no trades. Positions, ticks and currency. Oh, there's net. I never knew that. I don't know how you put in commissions into QUANTOWER. Oh. ITOR, yeah. Just follow the rules, dude. Just follow the rules and you get approved. Look. June 1st. Got approved last night. Boom. 67 days on the account. Yeah, it's that easy. Freaking. I don't understand people. You can't get a payout yourself, so you're gonna hate. And not even hate, but troll. What kind of chart is that and what's the purpose? What do you mean? All right. Jesus Christ, I have to keep like you just speaking the facts. Okay, well, um $1,500 from Bull Knox. It's that easy, dude. Okay, that's one. Another one. 1,500. Okay, another account. Number 46. Boom. Another payout. And one more. And one more. Just requested 4,500. How much did you request? Oh my God, people. Ah, see, that pullback would have worked. Would have been. Because I'm just showing proof that you have no excuses. You know, like there's the only thing that people like to blame is something else. Oh, it's Apex. Oh, it's this. Oh, it's that. You have options. You know? If you are someone that has a 6-figure income because of DCA trading and Apex changed your rules, I understand your frustration. You now have an excuse to be upset, okay, in my eyes, because you have a solid income that is now something that is taken away from you and you have to adapt, okay? But there's options to adapt to it. It's not as easy though, because other prop firms obviously either limit you on contracts or they're harder to activate more accounts with. Like Bullnox, it's hard to get, 10 accounts, 15, 11 accounts. It takes a long time. But if you've never gotten a payout before, or if you got like $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 in payouts, in every few months, then there's no excuse. It's not like you were profitable, right? So you got to find something that works. That's what I'm doing now. Mambo, that's the problem. They can't keep track of everything. What kind of rules did he break? Dan Futures, no. So they're gonna send you the payout. Like I'll get this payout Tuesday night or Wednesday morning. Wednesday overnight. I don't know if they're gonna reset. They haven't reset anything. It was pretty bad this morning. Definitely costed me some money. But hit the like button, guys. We are gonna do a giveaway. Okay, for 20,000 subscribers, we haven't finished the giveaway, so we're gonna do a giveaway. Let's see how many people we got watching, and then we're gonna. Wow, 700 people watching. Jesus Christ. Okay, if we get to 400 likes, we'll do 6 evals. I think I have 6 codes left. And we are gonna watch Mr. Kitty as well. This usually helps with the likes to remind people. iTour, make sure you enter the giveaway. Maybe you'll win. Maybe we'll be friends. Because you have to understand my frustration too. I answer all these questions over and over again, and I hate drama. Like there's nothing more that gets me more frustrated than drama, especially when it's based on fiction or based on rumors. It's not based on facts. Paul, that's exactly why I stopped DCAing back in February or March. I forget. I mean, it's already June. I can't remember. Maybe it was March, because I just couldn't get. I was ruining my opening range trade profits. Slip kid, not lately. Lately it's been very frustrating. But I've said this so many times in the past as well. When I was trading the way I used to trade, I was very calm with myself, right? Like I was like, I give myself the best chance to win. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Versus right now, this is happening where I get in, I get stopped out, and it goes. I mean, thank God for here. I used manual stop and I didn't stop out. Otherwise I would have lost in this trade, and then it would have went. So I've said it in the past. When you use incorrect stops, not only do you lose, but then you also lose on your winners, right? So you're gonna have your losses, regular losses, but then you're also gonna lose on trades that should have been winners, and it's difficult to get anywhere. I should probably be finished because I was up 5,000 like this right before I went on stream. And right before stream started, I took a trade, I lost, and I was very frustrated with myself. So I think I'm just gonna call it. I mean, we'll see what the market does, but I said to myself yesterday, I'm not gonna stop trading just because I'm green. Because when I read the market well, I should be trading, right? It's like you gotta press when things are going well. Well, today things weren't going too well, so I don't know if I should be pressing. Akash, no. So frustrating. I mean, yesterday I lost what, $650, $700 per account, so it's a long way to recover that. But GMAT, no, because I wouldn't need to size down to do that. I only risk $150 per trade. I could risk $300 per trade if I knew that my win ratio, or at least my risk to reward, was much higher, right? I just use tight stops because I want the trade to work right away. If I get in and it doesn't work, it's whatever. But it's that's what I think until um that's what I think until I get stopped out, and then it goes. Why did I do 800 ticks? Because the 1 minute chart was kind of bugged out from the rhythmic outage earlier. I can't get there's a gap in the chart and I can't get it to work. So I like tick charts. Maybe I'll use them. Tick chart kind of gives you the volume in it as well. You know, every candle is the same amount of volume. So when the candles are moving faster, you know there's more volume coming in. more trades. How many accounts can you use with Bullnox and Top Step? Top Step is 5, Bullnox is 11, but Bullnox is a scaling plan. So you could do 3 accounts. Once you get one of those 3 accounts over the safety net, then you can activate the 4th one. Once you get the 4th one over safety net, you can activate the 5th one. Once you get the 5th one over safety net, and so on. So you can only activate after the initial 3, you can only activate 1 at a time. But imagine this. You know, I know it's hindsight, but you know, we gotta study. So this trade here, right? So I got in, and then I was up quite a lot. Let's see how much I was up here. I was up 480, almost 500 bucks. First pullback, I got in. Okay, pretty good. That was a $200 10-point move there, so I could have been up like 700 bucks in this trade, but it didn't work out, right? It stopped me out, or at least it rejected, so I manually stopped out, which I'm glad I did. I was frustrated at the time because my target was literally like 991. But imagine this. Imagine my entry was here, right? Imagine my entry was here, like it was here, but it was too early. And then imagine I added to the pullback here, like I did here, and then it actually continued higher. I mean, this would have been a massive, you know, $1,500 trade. Those are the trades that could really change your trading completely. But it's just so hard to do. But some people do it. I mean, Dakota is, but Dakota, I watched his stream the other day, and he was up 10 grand, and I was like, wow, that's great. But then I realized he was only up 15 points. So he's just got that conviction, you know, and he's a high stake trader where he will take a lot of size for that good setup, and that's how he does it. And it's amazing. I mean, it takes a lot of confidence, but I think he's on a way different level of trading. I think he's just much better overall at reading price action and all that stuff. I was never like really good at trading, and I've never said I was good. Um, I just think prop firms helped me get over to the profitable side. Yep, we're gonna tune in and see what he's got to say. How is GME doing today? I think it tanked pre-market. I think that had earnings. So what do you guys think is gonna happen? Is it gonna squeeze when he goes on, or what? He's taking those in the live market. Well, yeah, Harry, but I'm just saying it's still hard. I could fund a 100K account easily, right? I could put 100K into a funded account, whether it's stocks or futures. That wouldn't help me. A lot of people think it's like, oh, when you're underfunded, it's hard to trade. It makes no difference. Yeah, Harry, I know. No, what I'm saying is the money does not matter. I mean, he built up to it. Yeah, maybe he wasn't risking 10 grand when he had 20 grand in the account, right? But you got approved? Me too. Congrats, Kung Fu. All right, well, I'm gonna go take a pee break and go get my drink, and we're gonna watch. Uh, actually, gotta make a new layout for maybe. Actually, we'll see. Dom, this is 800 tick, but typically I use 1 minute. Yeah, but buying that pullback here would have been nice. Damn. I think I'm gonna be done. I would love to have a $500 day per account and have a $10,000 day, but I just don't know if I could handle the stress. Be right back. Yeah, John, I think that's what I'm trying to force. I mean, this idea here was perfect. It's just, I mean, we had a trap down below here. We went back in the trading range, and then shorts got caught, and boom. Um, Dom, QUANTOWER is just rhythmic. When you get rhythmic connection, you could use a lot of different softwares. Oh, is he on? Is he on? Is he on? How many likes do we have? 300? Okay. I'm assuming a lot of people are gonna. Imagine he doesn't show up. Oh, he's been taking notes from Alpine Trader. He's late. All right, voting goes on. How is GameStop doing? Can I see on TradingView? Then the volume came in like crazy right at 12. The volume just came in right at 12 o'clock. Damn, everyone's getting screwed on this. I mean, we'll see what happens here. Is it halted? Yeah, it looks it. Is it volatility halt? M is volatility, right? Yeah. Man, I miss trading stocks. Well, let's give props to the YouTube servers to be able to withstand this. Like, that's crazy. Hello. Hello. Use code Alpine. John, yes, you can. You can, John. Yeah, you can. With QUANTOWER, you can. Yep, we're gonna watch him live as soon as he goes. Yep, John, you could copy trade them. Wow, gold is back to the lows. What's the tick size on gold? I was so tempted to take it. Ah, I should have taken gold. It's unhalted. It's gonna hold back up now. HD, make sure you update your QUANTOWER. Wow, I would have had the bottom basically on oil. I mean, on gold. Damn it, would have been out. See? Yep, halted. Oh no, it's not halted. Is it halted? Yep, it's halted again. Oh, look at this beauty, guys. I was looking at it long here. Why do I hesitate on the beautiful trades, huh? Crypto, I only heard briefly about it. I only saw like a headline. I didn't read into it, so I don't know exactly. Okay, let's see if we could hold the moving average. Is he not going on? Damn. What happened to the audio? What do you mean? Should be fine. AC, I don't think he cares about revenue from YouTube. I said maybe refresh the stream. Should be fine. Like for me, if I make 2 grand from YouTube, guess what? That pays for the car. That was my dream, right? That was my goal, to make 2 grand, not even 2 grand, like $1,500 a month on YouTube to pay for the car. But for him, I don't think 2 grand a month matters. I mean, he could probably get to like 100 grand a month if he streamed every single day. There's an ad, Trader JX. There's an ad usually in the beginning of the live stream. You could also run ads throughout the live stream. It's same as videos, really. I made like 2,200 in May. Well, GME is unhalted again. 1 second, guys. Phone ringing. Hello, Christian speaking. Yes, how can I help you? Good. You say you develop software? Yeah. I'm interested in that. No, more like trading software that would make me a lot of money. Day trading? Do I have a website? Yes. Yes, it's earnmax.com. It's the best prop firm. Yeah, the best prop firm. You could probably quit your job and trade and make whatever you did make in the day in 5 minutes. He was trying to connect me somewhere else. I don't know. Jesus, these guys have time. But it's crazy how they how like they do it. Like it's like they must be getting people, right? Because how else would they? But he wanted to develop a website for me, okay, or software. So it wasn't like one of those scams, like oh, because I've had a bad one where it's like they call you and it's like oh your brother was in an accident, you know, stuff like that. They're calling back again. I'm not picking up. Oof. Oh. Mm. The movement's pretty wild on. I just want to get out. I'm over it. That didn't go as fast as I thought. It's gotta retest the moving average. That's the problem. Always early on the breakouts. Always early on the breakouts. It's gonna, I guarantee you this is gonna reverse. Hopefully off the moving average. Maybe it'll just get us out here and we could just forget about trading for the day. Thank you. All right, I'm done. I'm done. I got it out of my system. Because I wanted to take the trade here and I didn't. And I had FOMO. Let's go back to NQ. I'm done. Made $100 on that. I know it's move up is not done. I know everything is not done, but I need to be done because if I give back the day, I'll be. I need to finish the week on the positive side. It's not like today was a great day. It was a very up and down day. So. All right. Are we at 400 likes yet? 30 likes away, guys. 30 likes. On yeah, Malik, exactly. I missed the non-farm payroll news because the QUANTOWER update. That is not an indicator for QUANTOWER. That's a separate app. I don't think he's going on. Got a favorite for Stanley Cup. I want Oilers to win, but I think that and I don't want to hear about GC, okay? Gold is going up. We would have been green. But I think Panthers are going to win. All right, so we'll do a giveaway for 5 evaluations. All right, and there goes gold. Go, go, go. Then could have made 200 bucks. Ooh. Let's go. Hopefully he doesn't use any music that's copyrighted. I mean, I don't really care. But... I'm gonna mute it. Looks like me. It looks like me. So how much is he down right now? Or is he up? Or I don't even know.
Oh shit. Oh, am I okay? Oh shit. Oh, that was a close call. Hold on, I get my shit set up there. Oh. 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 Help. Send help. Send help. Can y'all hear me right now? I kind of forget how to do this. I kind of tested it. Can you hear me? I can't keep up with this chat. You can hear me? Yeah. Okay. I mean, I can't read this chat. The chat. Oh, you can hear me. Oh, excellent. I had to dust this shit off to get this working. Ah, you brought me back to life with the chat. It's like the
Alright, we got, and it's tanking even more.
oh shit.
NQ's ripping.
Alive.
Gold's going up.
Kinda. What's up, everybody? I'm looking around. I feel like it's working, but I haven't done it in so long. I think it's working. I see you can hear me. It looks like it's going okay. So I think we can get it. Sorry, I'm legit looking at the chat here just to see. Okay. All right.
Oh wow, it gapped up from the halt.
And honestly, I can't believe that shit. I thought for sure I'd fuck it up somehow. Welcome everybody. Happy Friday. Oh shit, I didn't even pour the beer yet, but that's okay. I got a beer. I know it's the middle of the afternoon here, but right? It's Friday. It's 5:00 somewhere. It's not 5:00 here, but it's about to be. Oh shit! Wait, do I gotta wear this shit the whole time? I don't think there's no YouTube rules like whatever your drip is when you start, you got to keep rocking that. I'm pretty sure there's no way that's a rule. I mean, I'll keep it up for now because cheers, everybody! Let's go. Oh shit! Look at this. It's going up. I could say that, right? Can I say that? Can I say it's going up? Is that okay? Look at this. I can't keep that getting over. I think I can say that. Cheers. Crazy stuff going on these days, huh? Crazy stuff. Can you believe it's me? Can you believe it? Because it kind of looks like a lot of people don't. So I figured I'd pop in here, say what's up, everybody. I hope everyone's doing good. I know it's not the usual time of the stream, but figured I'd see what's going on, check in, how everyone's doing.
Oh, NQ's going back up.
No real game plan here. Just wanted to hop in, see what's popping. Damn. Yo, there's mad heads in here. God damn. All right. Okay, yeah, so I hope everyone's doing well. It's been a few years now. I hope y'all are good. We've been doing okay here, hanging in there. This, you may not, I mean, I was just messing around with this. This isn't a real bandage. This isn't a real, what do you call this? A splint? Is that the word? It's not real. I'm messing around right now. I'm messing around, okay? So other than this, we're doing okay here, right? It's been a crazy, well, first, I mean, it's been a crazy few years, right? It's been a crazy couple of months, too. Oh, shit. Yeah, bonkers. I wanted to, here, let me just close.
Oh my god, Streamlabs is down. I can't load it up.
It's pretty good to be back, I kind of forgot. You kind of forget what it feels like after it's been so long. Huh? I hope, before I get started here, I feel like, What is it? Ocean's 12. We're like,
Guys, I can't do the giveaway. It's not working. No offense, this guy's terrible, but do you know who this guy is? This guy is responsible for the GME squeeze in 2021. Guys, I don't know what happened, but literally my Streamlabs is not working, so I don't know how we're gonna do the giveaway. Hold on. I can't get it to work. The giveaways are still on, but okay, am I back in? I don't know. I think this will be more exciting. If you guys want to watch him, just go watch him directly. I thought that it would be much more interesting, but I'll keep it up just in case something happens. Guys, I'm trying to load the giveaways, but it's just not working right now. I wonder if he's using Streamlabs to stream and it's crashing it. I can't load up the giveaways, guys. Look, it's blank. Oh, wait. All right, we got it. All right, guys, let's close the entries and let's do the giveaway. 5 lucky winners. All right, closing the entries. I feel like you guys are typing the name. Not all of you, but maybe I'm gonna take a stab on an eval. I don't even know what eval this is, but I'm just gonna take a stab at it with gold. Why not? All right, let's do the giveaway, guys. Ooh, look at that. Of course, I take it on a damn eval, and look at this. Perfect entry, never goes against me. I don't even know what kind of eval that is. Okay, it's a 50k eval. I'm doing the giveaways now, guys. All right, closing it. Let's do it. To pick our winners today, 4 winners will be chosen. I mean 5, sorry, 5 winners. This is for rhythmic only, okay? So if you want trade of 8, unfortunately, you can't qualify for this. It's for rhythmic only. It's actual codes that Apex gave me, or our friend Mike gave me from Apex for my 20,000 subscribers. It's basically codes that will give you a free evaluation, but it's only for Rhythmic. And target hit on that eval. Perfect. Pretty much passed it. Oh, Hyundai. Congrats. If you don't want the Rhythmic, then you could obviously give it back and we'll pick someone else. Oh, I think I pressed it twice. So we got Insomnia 0 and Samuel. Pete. And of course, you guys have a few minutes to answer. If you don't answer, then... Well, if you could trade Rhythmic. I mean, why can't you trade Rhythmic? You just get one Rhythmic, download QUANTOWER, it's free, and trade this way. You sure you want to try it? All right, we got Pete. So Pete's here. Hyundai, you sure you want to give it back? You're on the Mac. All right. Samuel is here. Insomnia's here. Pete's here. Dakota, or however you say this. There we go. You're here. All right, so everyone's here. And Hyundai said to give his back. I appreciate that. All right. The next winner, you got to thank Husset for giving back. 3, 2, 1. GF. Does anyone know his cost? What is Kitty's cost? All right, guys, if you are a winner, send me a proof of your YouTube. And chat, I really appreciate your support, guys. I really appreciate your support. All right. This code gives you a 50k eval or 150k eval. First person to get it, good luck. Go, 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 quick. See, a few people got it. We found out last time it actually works for a few people. That everyone does it all at once. A few people get it. So this is my trade on the eval here. Nice trade. 21 ticks on. See, those are the trades that are the easy ones, and I just can't take advantage. Missed trading, nice. Is Apex resetting accounts today? I don't know. Make sure you guys send me an email, whoever won. Insomnia got your email. I should check out your channel since I can't sleep at night. Samuel, thank you. Got your email. It's his birthday. He's pissed that they did the early earnings. Because the earnings were not supposed to drop till next week. Let's see if this works. Oh my god. Look how beautiful. Wow, this is as beautiful as it gets. So you draw a channel of the highs. First pull back into the bottom of the channel with the trap. Oh man, this is like textbook. Oh, I just wish I knew how to see these in advance. Email's not getting to me. Oh, maybe it's in the spam. Let me see. Ryan, nope. I mean, Pete, nope. I did not get email from you. It's not. This is not ICT for me. This is Joseph James. The only thing is this never gave a true entry on the. Let's see if it gave an entry on the tick chart. It always says to use tick charts. Pete, are you sure you're typing the email right? Or give me your email. I'll send you an email. Wow, what a beautiful move. This is the moves I want. I wasn't paying attention though at that time anyway. Nice, Joe. Congrats. Welcome to the Funded Club. Bum, 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 bum. So he's down 237 million today. Damn, he's good with that. Oh, that's crazy. All right, guys. I think I'm gonna call it. Yesterday I was really stressed at work. So today I'm not gonna let that happen. Today I'm gonna get actually ready for work. Yesterday I didn't get prepped for work. I was running around. I was hoping for an end of day move. There was none. I waited around, and today was a tough day emotionally, but green day. The sad part is I was up more at 9:20 a.m. than I am now. 50K. I'll do the 50K or the 150K, but I think 50K is your best bet. Lawrence, welcome back to the game. How is AMC doing? Is AMC tanking too? Yeah. See, like he can't even say what he wants. It's so funny. Pete, you don't need that. That you're getting actual code. I got your email finally. So how much did I make on that eval? Bum, bum, bum. 2,100. All right, guys, I'm gonna head out. I'm kind of just sidetracked, and it's already 1 o'clock. Time is flying by. I'm not gonna take any more trades. I'm not gonna waste your time, and I gotta get ready for work. I have a crazy weekend, and yesterday was crazy busy, and today is no different. So tomorrow I have one of the worst days for my business, I think, all year, to be honest. I hope everything goes smoothly, but it's a lot of stress and I hate it. Trading is stressful, but man, trading is me and on me versus the business. It's not just me, right? It's someone else's day. You're providing services for someone else, so it makes it a lot more stressful. I'm off Sunday though, so it's good. What happened? Nothing. It's just super busy. All right, so this is the green. I mean, nothing crazy. It's gonna be hard to get a payout on June 20th. With we got how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more days of trading before next payout window, and I gotta make a lot of money, so it's not gonna happen most likely. I think these two accounts will get a payout again. But maybe a couple of these. We'll see. Gotta trade better. There's no other way. It's a custom column. You could just right click, make a custom column, and then all right. Lawrence, there's no minimum days. If you pass it in one day, you get to fund it the next. Samir, you have to calculate it yourself. So um, you gotta do the math between auto liquidate threshold value and your balance. The difference between this and this is your threshold, your safety net, whatever you want to look at it. How much left is in the account is this versus this, these two numbers. Pete, I don't know. Someone else asked me already before, but I don't know. If you don't use it, don't blame me. That's all I'm gonna say, okay? It might expire. It might not. I don't know. I was not told any instructions on that end. I'm up like $5 grand this week, and it feels like a red week. McGregor, what do you mean? Adam, yeah, that's the plan, but we'll see. It's gonna be tough. The way things are going, it's gonna be tough to get all these accounts to pay out in time, in 8 days. It could happen though. Just need a whole good week. Summary and Rhythmic, you click. Show account summary. Just right click. Disappears. T-Bow, I don't know. I just go big size. I just made 2100 on one eval, taking 21 ticks on gold. Pips Hunter, it's from next day after you request the payout. It's not from day 11 because you could request a payout on like day 15 or 16 of the account. So as soon as you request the payout, the next day starts the next payout window. Well, typically it's the same day actually. So if you request a payout on the 5th, like during trading hours, the 5th is your first day of trading for the next payout window. Because when you request a payout, the dashboard is based on yesterday. It's not based on today. Unless you wait till after close, then, of course, just use your brain a little bit to kind of understand that. It's so hard to explain for me. But it just makes sense, right? The dashboard's not updated till after 6. So if you request a payout before 6, the day you request the payout is your first day of trading. Yep, Adam, perfect. That's exactly what I did. I requested a payout on these accounts on the 1st. I did not stop trading them. I traded them every single day. And look, these accounts are ready for payout already almost for the next time. So I'm definitely gonna get a payout with these 2 accounts at least. So at least it's gonna be, you know, like a 15K month. Will the extra 4 days go to waste? Yes. When does the 90% off sale end? I don't even know now. I don't remember. It doesn't matter. They've been extending it, so. Is it still dropping? Did he just end the stream? Well, the GME is not looking too good. Is he down 200 million, or is he down 200 million from the high of the day? Yeah, he's still up 150 million. I think he's fine. Yeah, I think he wanted to be a billionaire today. If that would have went up to like 60, 70, wasn't he close to $1 billion in profit? Now talk about emotional control. Like, I'm here stressed about trading live sim accounts, you know? No, Gabriel, no. I have to be done. If I take a trade now and I lose, I would be so upset with myself. I'm not up enough to take any trades. I'm up only 5 grand, which is peanuts. But if you do, but that's the thing. See, this is the plan, guys. This is the plan where everything will be so much better. Once these accounts are over safety net, it's gonna be so easy. Like once you like have 4 or 5 grand in profit, it's gonna be so easy to just trade like this, make $100, $200 a day. Whether you make money or not make money, it does not matter. You're still gonna be able to get a payout, you know, and that's gonna be the beauty of it. You could go into a drawdown for a few days. It does not matter. You're still gonna get your payout. All right, guys. Next week we got CPI, we have FOMC. So next week is gonna be choppy, but it's gonna be good. Well, do you think he broke any rules? What happens now that I passed the PA? You're gonna get an email tonight to activate it. You're gonna pay $85 to activate it, and Monday you'll trade a brand new account. Yeah, they will email you, Joe. You have a choice between $85 a month or a lifetime. All right, guys, I gotta go. I got so much stuff to do. It's gonna be another stressful day. So, all right, guys, let me go. I just got a text message and I forgot I gotta drop something else off too before work. You guys think trading is stressful? Oh man. All right, guys. Have a great weekend. I'll see everyone on Monday. Yep. We're back to all-time highs. Look at that. I knew it was gonna get there. I kept saying it earlier from here, but just couldn't hold it. Like adding to or rebuying here basically was tough because I wasn't looking to feel embarrassed basically for giving back the profit again. Oh man, it's so stressful. Like it's so easy to make this kind of like in hindsight, it's so easy to like just add, ride the wave, but anyway, can't dwell on spilled milk, right? Let's just get to it and yeah, all-time highs probably will reject. I'll talk to everyone on Monday and have a good weekend, guys. If you're trading still, be careful. I don't know. Let's see. Is there any updates on Apex resetting accounts? I don't know. Nope, I don't see anything on that. So, well, it rejected that so far. Sometimes we are the hammer, and sometimes we are the nail. Yep, that's very true. I just wish I wasn't so busy with my DJ business, to be honest. Like, I am grateful for it, but at the same time, there's some days where I'm just like, why did I put myself in this situation? But obviously, all of this is pre-booked in advance. Like, moving forward, I'm not gonna let this happen to myself. But I already have so many jobs booked that this is way prior to last year's bookings, you know? So, like, I didn't know I was gonna make this kind of money trading, so I couldn't decline the opportunity to make money. But again, I trade for trading is my part-time job. It's trading is my part-time income. Even if it's more than DJing, that's fine. DJing is paying the bills. Trading is for toys, hobbies, and investing. That's how I split my income. All right, guys. Take care, and I'll see everyone Monday. Goodbye. Peace.